Do you ever wait for the weekend just to slow down? And all week life feels busy and loud? But then the weekend arrives and everything becomes quieter. In this episode, I want to share my weekend routine. This video will be simple, calm, and real. A routine that helps me relax, recharge, and feel good again. On weekends, my routine feels slower and more relaxed than during the week. During weekdays, my days are busy and structured. I wake up early, get ready quickly, go to work, and follow a schedule. Everything has a time, and everything feels planned. By the end of the week, I feel tired. When the weekend arrives, everything feels lighter. There's less noise, less pressure, and more space to breathe. I don't need to hurry, and that changes how I feel. I usually wake up around 9 or 10 in the morning. There is no alarm clock, and that alone makes me feel calmer. I stay in bed for a few minutes and enjoy the quiet. Sometimes I think about nothing at all. Sometimes I think about the small things I want to do that day. After I get up, I make myself a cup of coffee. I like to drink it slowly and enjoy the warmth. I stand near the window and look outside. The morning light is soft and the day feels peaceful. In the morning, I don't like loud noises. I prefer silence and calm moments. Later, I check my phone and read a few messages. Nothing is urgent. Just simple messages from friends and family. I try not to spend too much time on my phone because I want to stay present. After breakfast, I like to move a little. I don't do anything intense. Sometimes I stretch my body at home. Sometimes I go for a short walk outside. I breathe deeply and feel the fresh air. This small activity helps me feel awake and relaxed at the same time. Around midday, I meet a friend. We usually choose a simple plan. We go to a cafe, walk in a park, or sit somewhere quiet. We talk about life, work, and everyday things. Sometimes we laugh, and sometimes we just listen to each other. There is no pressure to be interesting or busy. Spending time with a friend makes the weekend feel complete. In the afternoon, I like to cook. Cooking is one of my favorite weekend activities. I don't make anything complicated. I choose a simple recipe and take my time. I wash vegetables, cut them slowly, and prepare the food with care. While cooking, I listen to music or a podcast. The kitchen feels warm and calm. Cooking helps me relax. It keeps my hands busy and my mind quiet. I enjoy tasting the food and adjusting the flavors. When the meal is ready, I feel satisfied and proud. In the evening, I eat slowly and enjoy the meal. After dinner, I usually rest. I watch a movie, listen to a podcast, or read a few pages of a book. I choose light and relaxing content. I don't want anything heavy or stressful. Sundays are quieter. Sundays are for resting and recharging. I wake up a little later and enjoy a slow morning. I make breakfast and sit down without rushing. Sometimes on Sunday, I do a little physical activity again. I take a gentle walk or do light stretching. It helps my body feel ready for the new week. Later, I prepare a little for the days ahead. I check my schedule and think about my plans. But I try not to think too much about work. Sunday is about balance, not stress. Before going to bed, I reflect on the weekend. I think about the good moments, the walk, the meal, and the conversation with my friend. These small things make a big difference. My weekend routine is simple, but it's important to me. It helps me feel refreshed, calm, and balanced. For me, weekends are not about doing more, they're about slowing down and feeling good.